Kay Secretary Gatchalian po, no? So nakapasok na po ba yung national government relief efforts sa Bicol, sa devastated areas?
Well, first of all, tulad ng pinaliwanag ko kanina, hindi namin kailangan pumasok kasi nandun na tayo bago pa nangyari yung bagyo. This is part of our program of pre-positioning ng mga goods natin. Hindi na natin inaantay kasi nga we know the logistics will be very difficult, mahirap, kapag sasabayan natin na nandyan yung typhoon tsaka tayo papasok. So yung term na kung nakapasok na, nandun na yung goods. All year long, they're always there. Pangalawa, gusto ko lang linawin, dahil ako naging mayor rin ako for 9 years, sa local government code, ang first responders will be the local government units. They have their own quick response fund, they have their own disaster funds, they have their own support system pagdating sa disaster. Ang DSWD at ang national government papasok to augment and support kung sakaling kulangin sila. So right now, kung ang tanong natin is ready kami to augment and support, as I showed the figures kanina, yes, we are more than ready to augment and support. Ngayon, maaaring ang tinutukoy nyo doon na may mga nakukuha pa rin tayong reports na hindi pa nakakarating doon yung mga goods. That will be the responsibility ng local government units natin na dalhin yung tawag namin doon yung last mile distribution. Kasi sila ang may tao. Remember, ang social welfare is devolved. Hindi sasapat ang tao ng DSWD na kami ang magde-deliver to the doorstep ng mga victims. So that will be the responsibility ng ating mga local government unit at nagsimula na. In fact, kahapon, nag-start na mag-withdraw yung mga LGUs. When I say withdraw from our provincial and regional warehouses ng support ng goods. Nag-withdraw na sila. Kaya kung makita nyo yung numero na pinost ko kahapon during the command conference, the goods was at around 2 million. Now it's down to 1.982. So bumababa na yan at bibilis yung pagbaba niyan, lalo na makikita nyo sa Region 5 as the water subside and as they can withdraw the goods. Classic example sa Albay, nung the night before at until yesterday morning, medyo masama pa yung kondisyon. Pero from what I gathered from a regional director, okay, nag-subside na sa Albay. So nakakakuha na yung mga trucks ng mga local government units ng kanilang mga support goods galing sa amin. So now we're focusing our efforts on Naga and Camarines Sur, and we continuously talk to the local chief executives, yung governor, yung mayors nila, na kapag bumaba na, humupa na yung tubig, kaya na nila mag-withdraw sa aming mga warehouse, pwede na nila kunin yun anytime nag-aantay yun. Pangalawa, katugunan ng ating Pangulo kahapon, nag-deploy na rin ng MMDA agad-agad nung water purification machines nila kasama ng OCD. Nandun na rin yon. So that is now for the disposal ng mga local government units doon kung saan kakailanganin. Pangatlo, ang minamanage ng DSWD together with the province and the LGUs, yung mga evacuation centers. Alam natin limited yung pumunta sa evacuation center kasi napakalawak na nung sakuna and marami nga na-trap na sa kanilang mga tahanan. So despite that, we are helping augment the food requirements sa loob ng mga evacuation centers.
Okay. Kasi nabanggit ni Presidente yung sa rubber boats, pag nakapasok na yung national government, tsaka sila makapagbibigay nung rubber boats. So yun po yung parang naging context.
I think that's a context in the rescue side.
Yes.
But in the response side, our context has always been nandun na dapat yung goods bago pa mangyari yung sakuna. And we've done this so many times, not just for typhoon, but for volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, fires, every day. Minsan lang hindi napapaulat. Every day we augment local government units with the requirements pag may sunog sa kanila. Minsan maliliit lang itong mga sakuna kaya hindi na-report.